Looking for year-round shopping, dining, and entertainment? Then Seaport Village is your destination. Hey, it's Ivan from Powers Premier, and this is San Diego. Located at 849 West Harbor Drive in San Diego, Seaport Village houses more than 70 shops, galleries, and eateries on 90,000 square feet of waterfront property. Located in the West Wing is the Seaport Village Carousel. Hand-carved in 1895, it features 54 animals and 2 horse-drawn carriages. Built in Brooklyn, New York over 125 years ago, in 1997, after a full restoration, it made its way back to Southern California and operated in Burbank until 2004, when it was brought to San Diego, where it has resided in Seaport Village until today. So whether you're looking for a romantic dinner or maybe a casual lunch, Seaport Village offers some of the best selections in San Diego. Featuring 17 different eateries, including 4 waterfront cafes, the culinary cuisine ranges from burgers and pizza to steaks, seafood, and gourmet desserts. Highly recommended restaurants include Harbor House, San Diego Pier Cafe, and Puesto at the headquarters. The headquarters at Seaport District is an electrifying blend of rich history and architecture. Now, the former headquarters to the San Diego Police Department is now the most exciting place for shopping and dining. This artfully designed open-air lifestyle center is home to an exclusive collection of specialty shops and world-class restaurants catering to both residents and visitors alike. I hope you enjoyed your exclusive look into Seaport Village. My name is Ivan from This is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. Let us know where we should go next.